Most MBA students think journal publication is only for PhD scholars or professors. But the truth is MBA students can absolutely publish in Scopus-indexed journals if they approach their projects like real business research. It starts with choosing the right topic. Don't go for generic subjects everyone has already discussed. Focus on current business problems, digital marketing trends, consumer behavior, AI in business, startup culture, ESG strategies, or fintech growth. Journals look for relevance and fresh insights, not complicated language. Now here's your biggest advantage as an MBA student. You already work on case studies, internships, surveys, and live projects. That data can become publishable research. A well-designed survey with meaningful analysis can turn into a strong paper if your findings offer practical business value. Next comes structure. Your paper should follow a professional format: introduction, literature review, methodology, results, and conclusion. In the introduction, clearly explain the business problem and research gap. In methodology, mention how you collected and analyzed data. And in results, focus on insights that managers or companies can actually use. Tools like Microsoft Excel, SPSS, or Google Forms can help you organize and analyze your data professionally. But writing the paper is only half the journey. Choosing the right journal matters just as much. Always check whether the journal is genuinely indexed in Scopus, read its author guidelines carefully, and avoid journals promising instant publication. And remember, publication isn't about writing complicated words. It's about presenting useful ideas clearly and professionally. Because when an MBA student publishes research, it sends a powerful message: you are not just learning business, you are contributing to it.